How to do a natural pressure release and quick pressure release on an instant pot. All right, so the first method being the natural pressure release. Natural pressure releases allow the pressure to decrease on its own without you opening up the steam valves. So the steps you're supposed to follow is when your cooking is complete, just leave the instant pot alone. Do not touch the steam valve release. Wait until it actually floats out by itself. So wait until the float valve, that's the metal pin, drops by itself. So it's going to drop by itself. Once the pin has dropped, you could carefully open up the lid. This process can take anywhere from 10 minutes to 30, depending on the amount of food and liquid inside. This is best for soups, stews, beans, large cuts of meat, or foods that foam easily. Now, the second option being the quick pressure release. The quick pressure release lets you release the pressure immediately after cooking. So the steps just to follow for this is when the cooking is done, carefully turn the steam release valve from sealing to venting. So make sure to turn this. And then once you've turned the valve, all you need to do now is allow the steam to escape completely. Wait until the float valve drops and then open the lid away from your face. Do not keep your face close proximity. Use a long utensil such as a wooden spoon to move the steam release valve if you're concerned about getting too close to the hot steam. This is best for vegetables, pasta, seafood, eggs, and foods that cook quickly. All right, guys.